Okay, so hi guys, I've been looking for a dash cam for quite a long on Amazon, and then I came across this. As you can see this listing, this is not a dash cam. They are not advertising as a dash cam, but I thought it would be a good idea to buy and try it. So I bought this. Here it is. As you can see, Cutech WiFi camera. They are not branding it as a dash cam, so I was just trying to use it as a dash cam. So let's check it what we get. So all of these paperwork, please recharge for an hour, and this and this. I think our camera is here. Let's see. Amount, I think this is magnetic. A charging cable which is USB, micro USB, sorry. And here's the camera. It is quite small. This is a micro SD card slot. So let's put a SD card in here. I have an SD card. It is a 64 gig. Okay, 64 gig. Oh, wrong way. Let me see if I'm doing it right or not. This is the right way. You have to push it here. Okay, so let's turn it on. It's on. So I think I have to download the app. Let's see. I've turned on the camera. Let's download the app. Okay. This is the app. It says it has all the functionality like connecting with Wi-Fi in here. So let's try it and see does it work or not. Okay, next. Okay. Oh, nice. And add. Oh my god, what a laggy app. I'll be back after the setup. Wait. Okay, so it's set it up. As you can see, here I am. Oh, it's nice. Okay, wait, let me remove this and let's check the clarity. Okay, sorry. So I think it's quite good. So I'll check it in the car and let's go to the car.